Hello students, I am Dr. Sangeeta Itankar from Suryadev College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss important objective type questions which are based on the crystal structure. So let us start. The first question is amorphous solids have long range order, short range order, one dimensional array of atoms or have very low melting point. As we know that amorphous solids are the solids which are having very misalignments of atoms or the random arrangement of atoms. Therefore, these amorphous solids have very short range order. So, the correct answer is short range order. Next question is the coordination number for BCC unit cell is. First, we have to understand what is the meaning of coordination number. Coordination number means the nearest neighboring atom, and in BCC unit cell, the coordination numbers are 8. Third question is atomic radius is defined as dash distance between the centers of two nearest neighbors in a metallic crystal. We have to define atomic radius r in terms of the lattice constant, and when we want to calculate the atomic radius, then we have to consider the distance between the centers of two neighboring atoms. So it is defined as half the distance between the centers of two nearest neighboring atoms. So the correct answer is option B, that is half. Next question is simple cubic lattice has. There are three types of cubic structures: simple cube, BCC and FCC. And in simple cube, the atoms are situated at the corners, and there are 8 corners in a simple cube. Therefore, its correct answer is 8 lattice point. Next question is atomic radius for simple cube unit cell is. So atomic radius for simple cube is a by 2, because in simple cube the atoms are situated only at the corners, and the distance between the two corner atom in terms of interatomic distance a is a by 2. So the correct answer is option A, that is a by 2. Next question is which of the following has lowest packing fraction? Lowest packing fraction means how compact the structure or how much amount of space is utilized in a unit structure. So, those structure which are having very less number of atoms have lowest packing fraction, and the options are simple cube, BCC, diamond and FCC. And we know that simple cube possesses lowest number of atom, and hence it has lowest packing fraction. So the answer is option A, that is simple cube. Next question is the basic building block of the crystal structure is called as. We all of us know that the basic building block of the crystal structure is called as unit cell. It is also called as the smallest structure or the fundamental building block of the crystal structure. So the answer is unit cell. Next is crystal structure is the combination of space lattice and dash. As we know that crystal structure is the combination of space lattice and basis, where basis is nothing but an atom or a group of atom, and when these atoms placed on the space lattice point, then there is a formation of crystal structure. So the correct answer is option A, that is basis. The coordination number for FCC unit cell is. Again, in this case, we have to find out the coordination number for FCC unit cell in face-centered cubic structure. So, in FCC unit cell, there are 12 coordination number in 3 different planes. There are 4 atoms which are nearest neighbor. So, 4 atoms in 3 planes, 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, there are total 12 coordination number. Next question is which one of the following Bravais lattice is not part of cubic crystal? In cubic crystal, we know that it consists of simple cube, BCC and FCC. Therefore, in this case, base-centered cube is not the part of Bravais lattice. So, the correct answer is option D, that is base-centered cube. Next question is the atomic packing fraction for closed packed structure is. Closed packed structure means FCC structure, and for FCC structure the APF, that is atomic packing fraction, is 74%. So the correct answer is option C. Next is the empty space in the crystal structure is called as. The opposite of atomic packing fraction is the empty space, and the empty space in crystal structure is called as void space. Okay, the space which is unutilized in a crystal structure is called as void space, or we can say it is empty space. So the correct answer is option C, that is void space. Next question is Bragg's law is not useful in. We studied the Bragg's law in crystalline solid. Okay, and this law is not useful in amorphous solid because in amorphous solid there is no proper arrangement of atoms. In this case, the atoms are arranged randomly. So, this Bragg's law is not useful in amorphous solid. And Bragg's equation is given by, the condition or the equation for Bragg's law is given by 2d sine theta is equals to n lambda, where d is the interplanar spacing and n is the order of diffraction and lambda is the wavelength of the X-ray. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 2d sine theta is equals to n lambda. The last question of this is the Miller indices of set of parallel planes which makes equal intercept on three axes are the plane which cuts on the intercepts axis with equal intercepts. So equal intercepts, in this case we are having 1 1 1 plane. This 1 1 1 plane cuts the equal intercepts along x, y and z axis. So option number B is correct. So this is about the MCQs on crystal structure. Thank you.